Add interactive tasks to the Notch on Android. Tap once to open your favorite apps list. Easily switch between your favorite apps. Double tap to open Google Assistant. Triple tap to take a screenshot. Swipe left to open camera. Swipe right to lock device. Press and hold to enter boot menu. Play Store. Install app. Enable service. Allow all permissions, request. Select action, one touch. Double tap. Set triple tap, swipe left and right. Edit Notch menu with Favorites app. Thanks for watching video.